Hello, Tom Hawkins here from Hawkins Chevrolet. I wanted to start out the new year with a special announcement from Hawkins Chevrolet. Many may already know this as it's been a year in planning, but we haven't officially announced it. Just over a year ago, well-respected body shop, Don's Body Shop, closed due to Don and Pat's retirement. Don did almost all our body work for all of the nearly 30 years he was in business. After researching ways to employ Jeff Smith, Don's longtime employee, to do our body work, we discovered that there was a real gap in the collision repair business when Don retired. So, after a year of research and planning, we are proud to announce that we are about to break ground on the new Hawkins Collision Center. This will be located on the east end of our north lot, across from Day Plumbing. It will be a simple but efficient building that will include an indoor estimating bay, a new efficient downdraft paint booth with a baking system, and room for growth. We are excited about making this substantial investment in Fairmont and are anxious to provide the same great service that Don did for many years. Plus, we are saving one job and adding 3 more. And just so you know, our body shop is already in business as the new owner of Don's building is renting to us during the construction process. We have been very busy already due to the backlog of collision repairs since Don's retirement. Thanks again to the Fairmont community for supporting our business. We are looking forward to offering great collision repair service for years to come.